there we have it. That bridge is only for pedestrians now. And that's one of the famous bridges here in Chattanooga, Tennessee. And below us is actually the Tennessee River. It's probably one of those great places to take a picture at, a video when coming to the city. Right now it is the winter time. You see a little bit of snow over there. So these places do look different during the summer. It looks a little more greener. And welcome back to another episode here on The Richter Show. And today we are walking through the bridge here in the city of Chattanooga, here in Tennessee.
The Walnut Street Bridge was built in 1890. The 2,376-foot long Walnut Street Bridge connects Chattanooga, Tennessee's downtown with North Chattanooga. The bridge's main spans are pin-connected Pennsylvania through truss spans. The top chord of these truss spans are configured in 5 sections, making the spans similar to the Camelback's truss design. The bridge is historically significant as an extremely long and old example of its type. According to the Historic American Engineering Record, the bridge was apparently the first non-military highway bridge across the Tennessee River. According to a plaque on the bridge, Edwin Thatcher was the chief engineer for the bridge. The bridge's superstructure was assembled by the Smith Bridge Company of Toledo, Ohio, which was a prolific late 19th century bridge builder. The bridge's substructure was constructed by Neely Smith and Company of Chattanooga. Most of the parts of the bridge were manufactured mainly by jail workers of Dalton, Georgia, and then shipped to the site by rail. The Walnut Street Bridge was actually once known as the County Bridge, which connected the predominantly white city on the south side of the Tennessee River with the large black workforce on the north side.
They are a bit faded out. Through the years, they haven't done much maintenance. So as you're walking, you can see a couple of these right here that gives you a little bit more information about the bridge and what goes on around here. Now, once again, this is the Tennessee River. And I'm going to show you right now the other side of the bridge. So as you walk to the actual bridge here in Chattanooga, Tennessee, there are a couple of benches along the way if you get too tired as you're walking. And you can actually see it, that it's on both sides. Here's another one on this side over here. Or if you just want to sit down for a little while and take a break. Somebody riding their bike. So if you want to just sit down and enjoy the view, right now it is pretty cold. It's a little bit chilly, so that's why I'm also wearing a sweater. But it's nice that you can actually stop along the bridge, just kind of relax and enjoy the scenery. And there's a place to do that by sitting down. So I'm going to show you something cool as well. All along the bridge there are plaques with people's names on it. This is something very interesting and unique. And it's all the way across on this side, and it's also on the other side as well. Let me show you. And here it is as well. See? So between both sides of the bridge you can see it. And see more places, more benches where you can sit and just chill and enjoy the view. Here's a little bit of a fun fact. Down there, you can bring your kayaks and you can slide them down, and you can actually kayak in here. Now there's no kayakers right now because it's winter time and the water's pretty freezing, but there are little ramps like that along the way that you can actually bring your kayak and be able to enjoy the river. Now down there is actually a free public park which you can enjoy. You can run, you can play frisbee, you can do yoga. It's all free to use here in town. And I'm going to show you a little bit of the other side as well. So there it is. There's some fountains which are clearly turned off right now because it's basically winter time, so this place will probably freeze. And that's the city itself. So here I am at the end of the bridge right now. I'm gonna have to walk back because actually my car's on the other side, but hope you enjoyed the bridge, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like these here only on The Richter Show. See you on the next city review.
Shout out to the host, the Richter. This the Richter Show, the Richter Show.